Everything okay in there? Yes! Only it's not okay. It's not okay at all. If I don't get my crown tonight, I won't be able to go back to Equestria for another 30 moons. Oh, what are we gonna do?
Let them know what's really at stake if you don't get the crown tonight. They'll help us figure something out.
But what if they won't? What if when they find out just how different I really am?
Twilight, these girls rallied around you because they saw what was in your heart. They aren't gonna feel any differently about you when they find out you're a pony princess in Equestria.
I'm glad you followed me here, Spike.
Me too. Unless, of course, we get stuck here for another 30 moons.
You okay?
The fall formal isn't happening tonight. What? It had to be postponed because Sunset Shimmer had Snips and Snails ruin all of Pinkie Pie's decorations. What? But the fall formal has to happen tonight.
That's enough, Pinkie. Go on, tell us more.
You see, you're from an alternate world and you're a pony princess there, and the crown actually has a magical element embedded in it that helps power up other magical elements, and without it, they don't work anymore, and you need them to help protect your magical world. And if you don't get the crown tonight, you'll be stuck in this world, and you won't be able to get back for like a really, really long time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that isn't the reason.
Nope, she's pretty much spot on.
He can talk!
Oh yeah, and back where I come from, I'm not even a dog. I'm a ferocious fire-breathing dragon!
This is so amazing. Tell me, what are you thinking right now?
Sure would love a scratch behind the old ears.
Gah.
Maybe later.
How did you know all that? Just a hunch.
Wait a minute. Let me get this straight. You're a pony?
You're a princess? You're from another world? Mm-hmm. That is awesome! Oh, wow! What else can we talk?
See, I told ya.
I just want